Welcome to the pinnacle of modern wellness, where we've decided the best way to find inner peace is by having barn animals stand on our spines. Today, we're asking the big question: what's the better path to enlightenment? A goat on your back or a puppy on your face? This is goat yoga versus puppy yoga. Let's get the science out of the way because, believe it or not, there is some. Hanging out with animals is good for you. It can lower your stress hormone, cortisol, and boost the love hormone, oxytocin. And yoga, of course, is a legit way to chill out and stretch your anxiety away. So the genius idea was to mash them together. What could possibly go wrong? First up, goat yoga. The sales pitch is that the goats provide a lighthearted, unpredictable challenge. The reality is that this is Herbert. His primary contribution to my zen is a hoof digging directly into my kidney. This isn't really yoga. It's a game of survival. You're not focusing on your breath. You're focusing on not getting headbutted in a Warrior II pose. It's chaotic. It's ridiculous. And honestly, it's kind of hilarious. You will not find spiritual balance here, but you will laugh. A lot. Now for the challenger, puppy yoga. The puppy's strategy is different. They don't use brute force. They use psychological warfare. They overwhelm you with weaponized cuteness, rendering all attempts at actual yoga completely pointless. The class just devolves into a bunch of adults making baby noises on the floor. It's less of a workout and more of a surrender to a tidal wave of fluff and tiny licks. You will get zero exercise. I cannot stress this enough. So, the final verdict: goat yoga is chaos therapy. It forces you to let go of control and just laugh at the absurdity of it all. As a serious practice, it's just plain weird. But for a dose of joy, it's weird. But, well, puppy yoga is an oxytocin fire hose. It's not a workout. It's not really yoga. It's a manufactured cure for a bad day. Verdict: extremely well, but barely weird. So if you need a laugh, get a goat. If you need a cuddle, get a puppy. And if you want to keep exploring the strangest corners of wellness, you know what to do.